I'm getting ready to jump in the shower, but the first thing I want to do is I got to take this Band-Aid off, and I wanted to show you what's going on here, see if a wives' tale works or not. I'm in the process of figuring that out. You see that? That's a little piece of garlic. Cut that off in a little strip, and I've got a little thing right here, and it's actually kind of gone down. Can you see that? It's not really a wart. It was a little skin thing, and I was picking it, and this has happened over several years, and it got a little bit bigger, and I picked it, and now it's, you know, it's kind of a raised little bump there. And I talked to a good friend of mine, and she said, hey, put some garlic on it. And she looked and read up about it, and I'm trying this out. So she cut me some little pieces of garlic, and see, here they are. This is the little garlic pieces, and here's my Band-Aids. And for 3 nights at night, I'm supposed to put one of those on there. So I'm not going to put it on just yet. I've done it 2 nights in a row, and I'm going to wait until tonight to put the 3rd one on. Okay, you put a little piece of garlic like that over it, put a Band-Aid over it, wherever your wart is, and the garlic is supposed to do something, it's supposed to soak in there or something, and after 3 nights, yes, only 3 nights, then you take it off, and then you wait for another week or so, and they claim it's supposed to fall off. So I'm testing that theory. Okay, stick around and see what happens next. Man, this is night number 3, and I almost forgot to do this. It's 1 o'clock in the morning. Do you know where your children are? Okay, well, I got another little piece of garlic, and this time I think I'm going to put 2 little pieces on, and they're still wet from being cut because I had them in a little plastic bag. I'm going to put them on this Band-Aid and stick them on, and we're going to see what happens. Last time I took it off, the garlic looked kind of yellow, and that was probably taking something out of my little skin tag. I think it's a skin tag. It's not necessarily a wart. But this could be for what I've got as well. We're doing this as a test to see if this is going to work, okay? All right. I'm going to sleep all night with this on. If you put this on too early in the evening, guess what? You're going to start smelling like garlic. I did that the first night. I thought, what the heck is that smell? And I smelled that, and sure enough, it was just coming from that little piece of garlic. All right? Nighty-night. I'm getting ready to take my Band-Aid off. It's the 3rd evening, has already come and gone, and now I've got to take this off for the last time. It didn't really hurt that much. See? Look at that. See how some of that has gotten soaked right up into the garlic. That garlic, you remember, was pretty much white. And where is my little scars? Right there. And it's still there. Now they say to wait for a week or the rest of the week and see if it comes off. It's supposed to fall off. Well, this really wasn't a wart. It was really something entirely different than that. So I don't know if it's going to work or not. The wives' tale was to take garlic inside a Band-Aid and put that on a wart. 3 nights. just during the evenings, and then pull it off and then let it set for the rest of the week. I'm going to try that on this and see what happens.